On the same day the iPhone 16 was launched, the Huawei launched its first triple folding phone that can switch between a single, dual, and a triple screen into a full-blown tablet. It's called the Huawei Mate X. The innovation here is the flexible screen that can fold in two directions. It costs around a whopping $2,800, but before you judge it as overly and ridiculously expensive, let me show you what it can do first. It's your public tech advisor. Let's get you up to date. To achieve this triple folding innovation, Huawei figured out a way to track the movement of the two hinges to enable folding inward and outward, using 26 precision cameras to facilitate smooth opening and closing. It comes in gold accent and leatherback, orange and black to give it that premium feel, elegance and cutting-edge tech. Reading emails, books and running apps on the one or the second screen to watching videos on the full-blown tablet. You can just imagine the rest. 4-camera setup with a 10-stop telephoto lens fitted at the back while still maintaining the slim body, even when folded. It's a true work of art and science. Actually, too thin for a folding phone. Here is where things get interesting. While others are still figuring out foldables, Huawei has taken yet another leap into the future with the Mate XT, a smartphone, tablet, and innovation all in one. This is the second generation of foldables from Huawei, while Apple stays behind, focusing on barely incremental upgrades, releasing the same product year after year. Samsung have been throwing jabs at them since the release of their first foldable, Galaxy Z Fold and the Z Flip, telling them that we are still waiting for the iPhone to fold in their serial underhanded tweets. After Samsung, Huawei did it with the Mate X, Motorola with the Razr, Xiaomi with the Mi Mix Fold, Oppo Fold, Vivo X Fold, Pixel 9 Fold, OnePlus Open, and even the less known Royal FlexBuy and the Tecno Phantom V Fold and the V Flip. They just released the second generation, and if you want me to make a video on it, let me know down in the comments. One major difference though with the Mate XT is that it doesn't run on Android. It doesn't run regular Android. Instead, you get Harmony OS, Huawei's own operating system. While it offers similar features to Android, it's still missing key services like Google Play Store and Google Apps. So it might be a challenge to the regular Android users who rely on the Google's ecosystem. But Harmony OS delivers a sleek, smooth experience with its own app alternatives and AI-powered features. The Mate XT is available by September 20th, but only in China. All I can say is, well done Huawei for this innovative product. I hope the market agrees with you. We shall see this in the sales numbers in some months to come. Ladies and gentlemen, the first commercially available triple folding phone. Like, subscribe and follow. It's your public tech advisor. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Cheers.